Medical device service delivery job reports are subject to a variety of legal liabilities, which can vary depending on several factors. These include the type of medical device in question, the nature of the service being provided, and the jurisdiction in which the service is being offered. While it's important to understand the potential legal pitfalls, it's also important to ensure that the key ideas are preserved. Here are some ways that medical device service providers may be held liable for their work. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the concept of product liability. Service providers can be held liable if a medical device malfunctions or fails to perform as intended, leading to patient injury. This can occur if the service provider fails to properly inspect, maintain, or repair the device. Secondly, we must identify areas of negligence. Medical device service providers may also be held responsible for injuries resulting from their negligence. For instance, if a service provider fails to follow proper procedures when servicing a medical device, and that failure results in injury to a patient, the service provider may be held liable for the patient's damages. Thirdly, we must consider the possibility of a breach of contract. If a service provider fails to deliver the services as promised in the contract, they may be held liable for breach of contract. This could include failing to meet service level agreements, failing to provide the services within the agreed-upon timeframe, or failing to provide services that meet the quality standards outlined in the contract. Finally, violations of regulations and standards must be taken into account. Service providers may also be held accountable if they violate regulations and standards related to medical device service. For instance, if a service provider fails to follow industry standards or regulations related to medical device maintenance and repair, they may be held liable for any resulting injuries or damages. Given the potential legal liabilities associated with medical device service delivery job reports, it's important for medical device service providers to take steps to minimize their risk. This may include following proper procedures for servicing medical devices, maintaining proper documentation of all service work, and complying with all relevant regulations and standards. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs